Hi, and welcome to Get It Right. As we bid adieu to 2020, here are top 5 global health issues that emerged during this year. Potential pandemics. The coronavirus has shown us how vulnerable we are to potential pandemics and infectious diseases. On World Health Organization's list of top 10 threats to global health released in the year 2019, threat of a global influenza pandemic was already listed. Man-made disasters. Man-made disasters constantly remind us how we are destructing our planet. For instance, the devastating explosion in Beirut was caused by a large amount of ammonium nitrate stored at the port, which led to around 200 deaths and left thousands injured. On the other hand, the 2020 California wildfires, which destroyed more than 4% of the state's land, were caused by changes in state's firefighting and development policies, climate change, and a suspected arson. Incidents like these can be averted with proactive measures by the authorities and responsible citizens. Mental health. As reported by Time, in the United States, suicide rates are the highest as they have been since World War II. As per the World Health Organization, between 76% to 85% people with mental disorders in low and middle income countries receive no treatment for their disorders, including depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, dementia, substance abuse, and developmental disorders. Shortage of health workforce. Nurses, doctors, pharmacists, lab workers, rehabilitation workers, medical specialists, paramedics. The range of jobs and responsibilities within the health workforce is vast, and each one is crucial. However, the shortage of health workers is pervasive across most countries, and the most worrying aspect is that this gap has become more evident in the current pandemic situation. Thus, there is an urgent need for more focus on estimating and forecasting human resources for health at country, provincial, and even lower levels. Do check out some of my health workforce estimation articles in the links given below in the description box. Health inequities. Vaccine inequities have exposed fault lines in the collaboration among the global north and the global south. For instance, high-income countries have bought most of the doses of COVID-19 vaccines that will be produced in 2021. For example, Canada has obtained enough doses of various vaccines to vaccinate its entire population up to 5 times, while countries like Myanmar struggle to vaccinate even 10% of their population. In Africa, there are only a few countries that have the required scientific capacity to do research on, produce, and store the COVID-19 vaccines. At the onset of the new year, it is important that we learn from the lessons taught by these global health issues and work towards innovating for a better future. As it has been said by Confucius, our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fail. Thanks for watching our episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and support our channel. For watching more global health focused videos, hit the bell icon.